Winter is synonymous to fresh ingredients or fresh vegetables. And one such ingredient that is available throughout the country is Amla or Indian gooseberry. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and today I'm going to share the recipe for Amla Murabba. Let's see the recipe. I have soaked around 500 grams of avlas or gooseberries for about half an hour in water, and now I'm going to wipe them clean. Dry them out completely. These are wiped clean. I've also kept some water to boil in a steamer, and now I'm going to place these avlas over a sieve. Cover this and let it steam. To make this murabba, I've taken around 500 grams of the avlas. So I'm going to take around 650 grams of mishri or khadi shakkar or rock sugar. So they come in big rocks like these. Just pound them and make them into small pieces and grind them into a fine powder. So 15 minutes are up, turn off the flame and let's get them out of the steamer. Just to check whether they are done or not, poke a knife, and if it goes through easily, that means they are done. Let's get them out. Bring them out over a napkin, and as you can see, they cook so beautifully that they've started to split by themselves. Cool them down completely before we move on to the next process. Next step is to make the sugar syrup. So I have my powdered mishri which is ready here. I'm going to empty the bowl in this pan. Next, add in around 4 to 5 tablespoons of water. Next, I'm going to add in 4 to 5 peppercorns, 5 to 6 cardamoms. I've just lightly peeled them. Turn on the flame. Cook the sugar syrup on low to medium flame. And while that's happening, all the avlas or the gooseberries have nicely cooled down, and I'm going to now prick it with a fork. Very gently stir the sugar. Place the avlas in the sugar syrup. Keep stirring them periodically till the sugar completely melts. Make sure you do it very gently, because at this point the avlas are completely cooked and you don't want to break them. As we all know that Amla is a rare health enhancer. It supports the digestive system, it enhances the immunity system, and it's good for the hair. And the best part is that it's easily available during the winter season everywhere. The sugar is completely melted, and now I'm going to cover this and cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. 6 to 7 minutes are up. Let's give it a stir. Flip them over, cover again, and let them simmer for another 4 to 5 minutes. The total time that you need to cook the avlas in the sugar syrup is 15 minutes. And now I'm going to turn off the flame. Now I'm going to open this, and into this I'm going to add in a few drops of lemon juice so that the sugar syrup doesn't crystallize. Give it a stir. And I'm going to remove these avlas from the sugar syrup and let the sugar syrup cook for another 5 to 6 minutes to thicken. Drain out the sugar syrup and remove the avlas. And let the sugar syrup thicken slightly. The sugar syrup has thickened. Turn off the flame. And now into this, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, half a teaspoon of black salt. Give this a mix. Let the sugar syrup cool down for 4 to 5 minutes. I've removed the avlas in a bowl and the sugar syrup is slightly cooled down, and now I'm going to pour it over the avlas. This Amla Murabba is ready. You need not store it in the entire quantity of the sugar syrup. Just make sure they are nicely dipped. You can enjoy this throughout the year, but the best season to make them is the winter. So do try this at home, comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.